In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM sales process 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable system for moving a new lead all the way to a closed deal, with every touchpoint visible and nothing slipping through the cracks. Start by opening HubSpot and heading to Sales, then Deals. Create a new pipeline and name it in a way your team will recognize. Add straightforward, measurable stages like new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. Think of this as your sales roadmap. Each stage should represent a specific milestone, so you always know exactly where a deal stands and what needs to happen next. Next, add your leads in contacts. You can enter them one by one or import a list if you already have one. Capture the essentials: name, work email, phone number, and lead source. Consistent, accurate data here pays off later, so take a moment to standardize sources and fill in what you actually use. If your email is connected, new conversations will log automatically and help keep records complete. Now create your first deal. Click Create Deal and give it a clear name, such as the client plus the service or product. Set the expected amount, choose a realistic close date, and place it in the correct stage of your pipeline. Assign an owner if you're working as a team, so accountability is clear. Link the right people to the deal. Associate the primary contact and the company, so all emails, calls, and notes roll up in one place. This connection makes it easy to see the full story and quickly pull context before every touch. As work progresses, move your deals through the pipeline in board view by dragging and dropping. For example, shift a card from new lead to contacted after your first call, then to proposal sent once the quote is out, and finally to closed won or closed lost. Keep brief notes as you go, so the next step is always obvious. Use tasks to drive consistent follow-up. For each deal, add tasks like call, send proposal, or follow up, with due dates and reminders. A simple rule that works. Before you leave a record, schedule the very next action. Centralize communication and tracking inside HubSpot. Use email tracking, templates for repeatable messages, and notes to capture insights. This keeps your timeline complete and searchable. If you're ready for automation, set up workflows for repetitive steps. When a new deal is created, automatically assign a task. When a deal moves to qualified, send a templated email. If there's no response after a set time, create a follow-up reminder. Finally, monitor performance with dashboards. Track total deals, revenue,